Uttarakhand or the Devbhoomi is indeed a picturesque province of North India. The places to visit in Uttarakhand range from hill stations, honeymoon spots, pilgrimage sites, breathtaking beauty, adventurous experiences, and serene ashrams. A holiday trip to the mountain state is a perfect melange of relaxation, spiritualism, and adventure. You can find people of all age groups engaged in something or the other here. Whatever allures you to this place, be it faith in God or the natural mysteries or an adventurous thrill, you can't miss spending your vacations at these top destinations of Uttarakhand. So what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is Rishabh Agarwal, your travel partner from Travel Mob, and you are watching the top 8 must visit destinations of Uttarakhand. वैसे इंडिया के नॉर्थ में घूमने के लिए बहुत सुंदर प्लेसेस हैं, बट उत्तराखंड अपने आप में एक कंप्लीट एक्सपीरियंस है. Snuggled in the lap of Himalayas, Uttarakhand is one of the most visited places of India. Dotted with sacred Hindu temples and trekking trails, this North Indian state is a travel destination where, along with seeking the blessing of the Almighty, one can indulge in adventure and recreational activities. The best time to visit this Devbhoomi is from October to June. वैसे तो समर्स में यहाँ का वेदर बहुत ही अमेजिंग होता है, बट अगर आप एक चियोनोफाइल पर्सन हो तो उत्तराखंड के विंटर्स आर द बेस्ट टाइम फॉर यू टू विजिट दिस सेक्रेड लैंड ऑफ गॉड्स. तो चलो चलते हैं पहाड़ों में एंड बात करते हैं उत्तराखंड की टॉप 8 मस्ट विजिट डेस्टिनेशंस के बारे में. नंबर 8, अल्मोड़ा. Almora is a heaven to nature lovers. The picturesque district is located on the eastern side of the Uttarakhand. The views of the Himalayas are spellbinding. Almora अपने handicrafts, cuisine and wildlife के लिए भी बहुत फेमस है. Some of the must visited places in Almora are Kasar Devi Temple, Katarmal Sun Temple, Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary, Kumaon Regimental Center Museum, Martola, Zero Point, Chitai Golu Devta Temple, Govind Ballabh Pant Museum and Brighton Corner. Number 7, हरिद्वार. हरिद्वार जिसका सीधा मतलब है गेटवे टू द लॉर्ड. This holy city has a great number of temples and ashrams located here. हर साल इंडिया के कोने कोने से ट्रैवलर्स यहाँ आते हैं एंड गंगा नदी में एक डुबकी जरूर लगाते हैं. It is a belief that river Ganga is a symbol of purity and is created by gods themselves for the betterment of humanity. It is also famous for the Kumbh Mela which is held once in 12 years. हरिद्वार आकर इन फेमस जगहों को देखना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलना. हर की पेड़ी, चंडी देवी टेम्पल, माया देवी टेम्पल, मनसा देवी टेम्पल, दक्ष महादेव टेम्पल, विष्णु घाट, शांति कुंज, पावन धाम, वैष्णो देवी टेम्पल एंड भारत माता टेम्पल. नंबर 6, नैनीताल. Famously referred to as the Lake District of India, Nainital, at 1938 meters above sea level, is a scenic delight that would be irresistible to any tourist. It is located around the famous Naini Lake in a valley. चारों तरफ से पहाड़ों से घिरा हुआ नैनीताल हिल स्टेशन हर साल हजारों लोगों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है. This place is filled with honeymoon couples, solo and group travelers and adventure seekers. Some of the most important tourist attractions in Nainital include Naini Lake, Naina Peak, Tiffin Top, St. John in the Wilderness Church, Pandit G.B. Pant High Altitude Zoo, Gurney House, Snowview Point, Land's End Point, Kilbury Bird Sanctuary, and Eco Cave Gardens. Number 5, Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a blend of tranquility and adventure. The tranquility of the place with the importance attached to it as a pilgrim center touches the soul of pilgrims. Rishikesh is called as the yoga capital of the world. Relaxing activities and scenic views के अलावा ऋषिकेश एक एडवेंचर डेस्टिनेशन भी है जहां आपको रिवर राफ्टिंग, कैंपिंग, रॉक क्लाइंबिंग, रिवर क्रॉसिंग, रैपलिंग, बंजी जंपिंग जैसे एडवेंचरस एक्टिविटीज करने को मिल जाएंगे. Some of the most important tourist destinations in Rishikesh include Lakshman Jhula, Neelkanth Mahadev Temple, the Beatles Ashram, Swarg Ashram, Parmarth Niketan, Rajaji National Park, Kodiyala Rafting Beach Camp, Shivpuri Camping Valley, and Jumping Heights Bungee Jumping Point. Number 4, Mussoorie. Located at an altitude of 6,000 feet, Mussoorie, the Queen of Hills, is beauty personified. With snow-covered Himalayan peaks on view, the land abundant in natural beauty has an excellent climate too. The winters are chilling and the summers are pleasant. मसूरी इतना सुंदर है कि 1820 में ब्रिटिश आर्मी के कैप्टन यंग को ये जगह बहुत पसंद आई थी एंड उन्होंने इसे अपना परमानेंट एड्रेस बना लिया. Mussoorie has been countless footprints ever since the discovery. The list of excited tourists to enjoy the immense beauty of this place is growing forever. मसूरी में सुंदर वादियों के अलावा और भी बहुत सारी प्लेसेस है देखने के लिए, जैसे कैम्प्टी फॉल्स, लाल तिब्बा, हैप्पी वैली, कैमल्स बैक रोड, गन हिल पॉइंट, मसूरी लेक, क्राइस्ट चर्च, सर जॉर्ज एवरेस्ट हाउस, ज्वालाजी टेम्पल एंड द मॉल रोड ऑफ मसूरी. Number 3. Dehradun. Dehradun, or the capital of Uttarakhand, is situated at Himalayan foothills. The geographical location of Dehradun is picturesque with Himalayan ranges in a view and river Ganges and river Yamuna on either side of the city. Dehradun tourist spot होने के साथ साथ एक बहुत important education hub भी है. Every year, a lot of students take admissions in the colleges and universities of Dehradun for their bright future. एंड आपको जानकर हैरानी होगी कि सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक ही नहीं बल्कि इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स भी देहरादून की इस एडमिशन रेस में शामिल है. Apart from the natural beauty, this place is famous for its splendid architectural display by some of the ancient constructions. Some of the leading attractions of Dehradun include Sahasradhara Falls, Tiger Falls, Mindrolling Monastery, Tapkeshwar Temple, Forest Research Institute, Tapovan, Lakshiwala Picnic Point, and Malsi Deer Park. Number 2. बद्रीनाथ. हिंदुओं के 4 धाम में से एक उत्तराखंड में बसा ये टेंपल टाउन हर साल बहुत सारे भक्तों को अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है. बद्रीनाथ is yet another popular pilgrimage center in Uttarakhand. This town is located between the Nar and Narayan mountain ranges. Located at an altitude of 3,133 meters and shadowed by the Neelkant peak, you are sure to grope for words to describe its immense beauty. Badrinath temple is the main attraction here, and some other attractive places in the Badrinath include Badrinath Hot Springs, Neelkant Peak, Charan Paduka Temple, and Valley of Flowers. Number 1. Kedarnath. Again, another famous pilgrim spot for Hindus and a very beautiful destination for both adventure lovers and religious people. Kedarnath is a small town located in the Garhwal Himalayan ranges and is considered one of the holiest pilgrimages for those who follow Hinduism. It houses the famous Kedarnath temple, which is located amidst the majestic mountains. Here are some of the places to visit in Kedarnath. Kedarnath temple is the main attraction over here, and the other places are Chorabari Tal, Vasuki Tal, and Gaurikund. The limitless beauty of Uttarakhand and its cultural and religious association make it one of the most frequent travel destinations. Feel free to give details on more destinations that I have missed mentioning. एंड आपसे फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए जुड़े रहिए ट्रैवल मॉक के साथ.